Let me introduce you to the Leo Spencer Signature Hollow Core scooter wheel from Fusion. I absolutely love this wheel. I don't know if you can see close up, but you can see the plastic PU on the outside, just a really clear, beautiful plastic. And on a nice day, that just is so see-through, so beautiful on a scooter. And it's really quite something unique and special. It's one of the first wheels with a truly clear PU, and it really delivers in terms of what I can see. It's a very unique looking wheel. Separate to that, weight-wise, it's around 230 grams. That's with the bearings included. It's ABEC 9 bearings. I will say these bearings look particularly smooth, way more smooth than I've seen other people say ABEC 9 bearings. So from my perspective, I really like the bearings they put in these wheels at Fusion. They feel really high quality. PU-wise, it's 87A, so it's a little harder than the standard wheel. A little softer, I should say, than the standard wheel. So that should give you a bit more grip, particularly if you're a park rider like Leo is. It's perfect. It's also fairly lightweight, so it's a decent scooter wheel, 110mm in height, 24 by width. So it's a very standardized scooter wheel for any sort of standard scooter setup. So if you're looking for a really beautiful custom wheel that's signatured with Leo Spencer's design on from Fusion, this is a great option.